Welcome friends. So with reference to the last tutorial where we have created a material request, now we will log in with the approval panel and and we will see how to approve a request. So we will type mbpareopia.com, then we will click on the login page. Now we will log in with the approver's email ID username sanjay.co.in and the password which you have set in the admin panel. So now we'll click on the login. MRP this is loading. So again with the approval panel, when you log into it, it will show you to choose a project. So, since we have created the MRN in demo 3 project, we'll select here demo 3, we will choose it. So from here you can shift to demo 3 or demo 4 project. Since we have tagged Sanjay in demo 3 and demo 4, so you will be. So this is a very simple panel where we can you can see the approvals. You can have approvals on the material request, on the purchase order, on the GRN, and on the payments. So let's start with the approval with the material request approval. So now here you can see there are two tabs, list and show. So this show tab is just for the when you select a request, then material request, then only this will appear. Search for the request. So now we'll click on the search and see we have just created the two material request with the master panel, and this you can see. You can also see what is the request. So we'll first click on the show button and it shows that it has been created. The requester is Mr. Pradeep and Jitendra has created this, and this is the status at the following things. So this is the show thing. When you click on show, you will show this. Again, you will click on search. So since we are seeing that, so just we have to click on the approved and it gets approved. Similarly, for the next request, you can see here RCC steel has been there. We'll again go to the list, we'll search it and we will click on approve. As we have done approval for material, similarly we have to do approvals for the purchase order, for the goods receipt and the payments. Now if you click on the purchase order and we search, then it will show that no purchase order has been found, because first we have to go and create purchase order from the master login, and then approver gets to approve the login to purchase order. That's all in this tutorial. If you have any doubt, drop a mail on erp@manomo.com. You can also log into www.manomo.com. Thank you.